Go out for the day and take my mum to Manning Park.
Yeah.
So there is a way to loop round and then back a different way. Oh my goodness. Talk about needy dog. Come on. We're gonna go back the way we came.
What are these?
Morning. What are we doing today? Well, because my mum's here and we kind of want to distract from the fact that gas prices are ridiculous and food prices are ridiculous, and so we, going up north to do more work on our project is not happening right now. So we're actually going to go out for the day and take my mum to Manning Park, which is a gorgeous provincial park, and do a little bit of fresh air stuff. Let's go. Doing? You taking one of me while I'm videoing you.
'What are these?
Colombian ground squirrels.
Colombian
ground squirrels.
Oh, right.
Okay team, we're up to the Alpine Meadows for a little walk to find some wildflowers. You ready for this? She's not listening. Not paying any attention whatsoever.
We'll be ready for it in a minute.
Come, Gizmo. So many smells. So many smells. He's trying to whistle. Oh my goodness. Talk about needy dog. Come on. Quick stop for photos.
Quick stop. See the truffle trees?
Okay, so we parked here, we've walked the Heather Trail to here.
Oh,
So-
not too bad then.
So we've just done 1 kilometre to there.
Yeah.
So there is a way to loop round and then back a different way, just across this ridge here.
Do
Yeah.
we want to do that?
Or we can go back the way we came.
Do we want to head the other way?
I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you want to go over the ridge and along the other way back?
What's it like?
I don't remember. It's been about 5 years since I did it.
Then let's go do it.
As long as it's ends up and up.
It's a little up and then it'll be straight. I think.
Okay.
I have no idea.
This way?
Yes. So that's your up.
Can you make that?
I think this is probably going to be a bit steep for Nanny, so I think we're going to go back the other way. Oh, photo time again. Okay, quick change of plan. This is a little steeper than I think my nearly 80-year-old mum can do, so we're gonna go back the way we came. Normally we'd be hiking this no problem with the kids, but yeah, you know, you adapt to the group. It's all good. So it doesn't look over enthusiastic. How you doing? All right. Awesome. Look at you go, like a seasoned hiker.
Eh?
Look at you go, like a seasoned hiker.
Oh yes, definitely a seasoned hiker. There's something up there. Really?
Mum's freaking out because we keep hearing a noise and she thinks it's a bear, which it could be, but I don't know.
I think it's a bear. I know that I've heard bears make that.
So we're making a nice lot of noise because bears don't actually, or the black bears that live around here, they don't actually really like people. They like people's food, but they don't really like people. A lot of the hikers in off-country, kind of off-trail, well, backcountry, whatever they call it, hikers will wear bear bells. But they do say nowadays the bear bell is actually now a dinner bell for bears.
It's actually not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, different tactics depending on what the bear is.
If it's brown lay down, if it's black white back, if it's white good night.
Yeah, we're not going to see any polar bears around here.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
It's funny, after that little conversation about bears that we just had and the possibility of seeing one, everyone suddenly picked up the pace and gone quite a bit louder.
Bloody stones.
Yay! The end of the trail.
Thank God.
Good job.
Tired, I'm just out of breath.
She's good. She just needs a snack. Oh, end of trail snack.
There you are, darling.
Okay, team, how was that walk? We made it back. We were in the car. I think it's time to find somewhere really nice to have a little picnic there. Windy up here, hey?
You can see a lake over there.
That's Lightning Lake that we've kayaked.
Yeah,
And the
he
chipmunk?
was eyeing up a chipmunk that was underneath our car.
You want to chase the chipmunks and the squirrels? You can't.
Oh, yeah. Soy sauce?
Okay,
You'll have to use your thing.
lunchtime. Like back when I was a kid, it was egg sandwiches when we did these kind of picnics, but no, we do sushi.
We do sushi. I'm guessing each person gets one of these.
Okay, you're getting a little bit close there, bud.
They're all like lined up. They're pulling a heist. they're planning a heist to steal anything that they can find.
We came, we walked, we took lots of photos,
The
we
squirrels were
picnicked.
trying to pull a heist. They failed. No, the chipmunks.
And we played with the chipmunks. Kinda. And so, yeah, time to head home. We have a good day, people?
Very much so. Very much so.
There we go. Result.